Hi, the app that we're submitting requires three scopes: spreadsheets, script.external request, and script.container UI. So in this small video, I'll quickly show why we need each of these scopes. So first, let me show you the functionality of this app. So the idea behind this add-on is to let a user interact with an LLM within the Google Sheet itself. Basically, just leveraging the UI of Google Sheets, and making it easy for users to compare different prompts or response from different models in easy view. Uh, so first I'll show you why we need the spreadsheet scope. The reason we need spreadsheet scope is so that the add-on can read data from spreadsheet and then write it back. So this is the formula that the add-on lets users use. So they say test prompt, and then they enter whatever text they want to send to the LLM. In this case, it's a combination of the prompt and the input, and then they also select the model that they want to send this text to. And then what this formula does is basically call the LLM and show the user what this LLM how this model would respond. And then a user can just copy paste this formula and easily figure out what would be the response for a similar prompt and input from different models. So if you see, it's reading input from a Google Sheet, and then it's writing a response back in the Google Sheet, which is the reason why we need the spreadsheet scope. Secondly, we are also requesting for a script.external request scope. The reason being, the moment user writes this formula test prompt, it actually makes a call to an external API. This is the API endpoint. So this API endpoint is where the whole computation calling the LLM, respective LLM that the user has chosen here, happens. And also, one more reason is that there's one more function, formula that the user can use, which is to figure out how much would this type of query cost with this type of model. So for that, a user can simply write LLM cost. Uh, they write whatever is the input text, then they select the output text, and then they select the model. And what this formula will tell them is that million such requests will cost $27 with chat GPT-4o mini, and this is the cost for each of the respective models. So as you can see, it's making a request to external API, which is why we have requested for the script.external request scope. And the last scope that we are requesting for is script.container UI. The reason for this scope is because for a user to be able to add this add-on, they will need to, you know, enter a UI, API key. And in order to do that, they will have to basically click here and open this dialog box. And once this dialog box opens, they will have to enter this API key. So because we're loading this, UI in the sidebar, we're requesting for the script.container UI scope. Hopefully that shows why we're requesting these three scopes. Happy to answer any questions that the team has.